everyone, welcome to TechCraft Studio. Today we are going to build the perfect browsing PC for your parents, friend, or loved one. For the case, we're going to go for the Desk Mini A300. I chose this case because of its compact size and affordability, and it comes with everything you need. It comes with a case, motherboard, and a power supply. This can be found on Newegg or Amazon for $149. Don't forget to get the wireless version if wireless is something that you need. And for the CPU, we're going for the Ryzen 3 3200G. The reason why I chose this processor over the 2200G is because of the higher boost, similar pricing. The one thing that you do need to pay attention to is the CPU cooler does not fit into the A300. I noticed that the height is slightly taller than the clearance, so I had to default to using the stock cooler that came with the Desk Mini A300. And for storage, we're going for the Crucial P1 500GB. Depending on your budget, you can go to 1 terabyte or 250 gigabytes, but for this purpose, I'm going with 500 gigabytes because I think that's a sweet spot. One thing to note for this build is that the Asrock A300 motherboard does have issues accepting SATA M.2 drives. And for this reason, I do highly recommend going with an NVMe drive. And for the RAM, I'm going for the G.Skill DDR4 SO-DIMM memory, clocked at 2400 megahertz. If you like what you see today, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. By pressing the like button, it will help me a lot. Thank you and see you next time.